Hello, soulmates. Good evening and welcome back to my channel. So, in this video, I want to show us how monogram pocket design and flap is being done. So, this is a monogram machine. This is how it looks like. I'll still show you the clearer picture of it for some of us whom are yet to do a proper monogram. It is an advanced embroidering process or machine designed to use tiny threads to create wonderful designs on fabrics, right? So now I have received several questions or confusion asking me some designs if it is embroidering, whereas it was monogram. So by the end of this video, you will be able to learn and differentiate the major things between embroidering and monogram. Both of them uses thread, right? And I think similar thread, but the machines are not the same. So this is a double-head monogram machine. Currently, this machine is being sold within the range of 15 million naira to 18 million naira, depending on when you are watching this video. So now, the machine has a system where you create designs, put in a flash, plug on the Android version of the machine, and the machine translates the design you have keyed in to the fabric which you have used or which you have placed on the machine. So this is the skeletal drawing which it does first before it starts filling up the design. So this is a flap and a pocket design I am trying to make. Stay tuned to the end of this video to see the after result or after the finishing, right? So it will create a skeletal structure of this and then it will now start to fill it up. Bear in mind that all you need to do is to put the style on the flash and transfer it to the machine, and then the machine will control itself. It is a fully automated machine where no one controls it. All you need to do is to fix your threads and know when the thread has cut and replace it. So this is the screen where the designs were programmed. Please bear in mind that they have specialists who specializes on doing the design and keying in the designs on the machine. It can never be done by a quack or someone who has little or no knowledge about it. So if you want to learn how to do monogram by yourself, kindly enroll in any outlet that handles that, and this cannot be learned by proxy or by online, right? So after this now, the next thing to do here is it does all the designs as stipulated on the screen. It goes from one design to the other and to the other design. It goes one after the other, right? So it is a very detailed video. So it will be good that you stick around, watch this video to the very end, and don't forget to also give me a like, comment, share this video. If you find this video interesting, please drop a heart emoji. This helps me as well to get more viewers from YouTube, because when my videos has more comments and likes, YouTube will recommend my video to other viewers as well to watch and also learn with us. So do well to like, comment, and share, and also drop a heart emoji or comment on whatsoever you might want me to explain further in subsequent videos just like this. So I am trying to put this in a fast track. Bear in mind that this is not a normal movement of the machine. I have to hasten it up for it to go all through that way. So the length of the flap I have is 16 inches, but because of the tray is not up to 16, so they had to join it. Now the joining is a normal thing you need to do when you encounter a longer flap or any longer measurement. You must join the designs to continue And in joining, there must be appropriate timing of where it started and where it's going to end. So here is the other part of the pocket. So they're trying to set it up and give you the instructions with the width measurements, the tension, whatever settings they need to make, the dimensions. This is where they key it in. And once it is properly set, the next thing to do is to roll it on the fabric. And bear in mind that this fabric must be gummed with thick gum stain. The thick gum stain, the reason for the gumming is to make sure that there is no squeeze. It makes it look like an already made design that came with the fabric. So this is one of the advantages you will have when you gum it properly, right? So after this video now, I think that's all you need to see. The sewing video could be done with my previous videos on this channel. So do well to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, invite friends as well to come and learn, join us here and learn. So I am trying to create the design on the pocket. Now the pocket design is still similar, which was already programmed on the screen. So the pocket design will be made, and then it will also get to the finished point. So the next you will do after the whole designing processes is to fold it to your desired size, and then pull off the gum stain, replace with color gum if you so wish. But you could still trim off the excess gum stain and then use the exact remaining of the fabric of the gum stain to fold the flap and the pocket. So when you get to this stage of this video, I believe the video is way interesting, and you must have gotten some knowledge or idea on how this machine works. So this is a fully automated industrial monogram two-head machine. Like I said, the price is within 14 to 16 to 18 million naira. They still have the one of the single head of 9 million naira, 10 million naira, 12 million naira, thereabout. They have different brands, different products. So there is no best product. All you need to do is to get a good one, get a good operator, and you are good to go. So whether email, Two Lion, whatsoever brand you can lay your hands on, just get it as a good product, a good one, and you are good to go. All right, guys. So the end of the pocket is what the pocket positions is what is doing now, right? So you would see that the flap is done, the pocket measurement. Bear in mind that these things were already programmed from the beginning. So I do hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching to the very end. Thanks for the likes, comment, and shares. See you guys in my next and subsequent videos. I want us to reach 100k subscribers this year. I know with you all it is 100% possible. Please help me to achieve this milestone by sharing my videos. Bye bye for now.